Homemade mayonnaise recipe. Elevate your dishes. Hey there, culinary adventurers. Today, we're diving into the world of homemade delights, exploring a simple yet delicious recipe, homemade mayonnaise. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to create your creamy, flavorful mayo right in your kitchen. Let's elevate your dishes with this homemade goodness. Ingredients. You'll need 1 large egg yolk at room temperature, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 cup vegetable oil or light olive oil for a richer flavor, 1 to 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, pinch of salt. Step 1. Prep your ingredients. Crack the egg and separate the yolk, placing it in a clean mixing bowl. Make sure the yolk is at room temperature for better emulsification. Step 2. Add the flavor boosters. Add a tablespoon of Dijon mustard into the bowl with the egg yolk. This not only enhances the flavor, but also aids in the emulsification process. Step 3. Emulsify the mixture. Using a whisk or hand mixer, start blending the egg yolk and mustard while slowly drizzling in the vegetable oil in a steady stream. This gradual addition is crucial for creating the creamy texture. Step 4. Balance with lemon juice. Once the mixture starts to thicken, add in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This adds a tangy brightness to the mayo. You can adjust the amount based on your taste preference. Step 5. Season to taste. Finish off by adding a pinch of salt and mixing it in thoroughly. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Step 6. Store and enjoy. Transfer your freshly made mayonnaise into a clean, airtight container. It can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week. Tips for success. Ensure all ingredients are at room temperature for optimal emulsification. Use a neutral flavored oil or light olive oil for a milder taste. Drizzle the oil slowly and steadily while whisking for a creamy texture. And there you have it, your homemade mayonnaise, ready to elevate your sandwiches, salads, and dips to a whole new level. Experiment with herbs or spices for your unique twist. If you found this homemade mayo recipe helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and share your mayo making experiences in the comments below. Thank you for joining me in creating this delicious kitchen staple.